basong dumating dito. Iinumin ko.
Kaya pwede po kayo mag-play ng classical music po kung gusto niyo po.
So, week talaga na to. You just have to do something to
Bach would be nice.
gain something.
Request ko po
Ito week na to.
yeah.
Oo.
Paganini or Eric Satie po.
I think kasi parang siyang
Salamat.
Claire de Luna po.
Yun nga kung bakit gusto ko nandito tayo lahat
Favorite ko yun po yan.
Like say...
Kuya King!
Or Rachmaninoff po.
Dito muna tayo, Tin! Miguel!
Rachmaninoff.
Okay.
Or Johann Sebastian Bach.
Dito muna tayo.
Last night together.
Oo.
Beethoven.
Last drink together.
Okay lang po.
Matutulog na daw tayo after this, sabi ni Kuya.
Oo.
Pwede ko magbilar?
Ha?
Pwede ko
Ipata
magbilar?
pa matulog sa itin eh.
Magbilar lang ko ba? Pwede ba?
Oo, pahinga ka muna. Sandali, dito.
Magbilar ba? Bilar.
Ano yung bilang? Saya.
Overtime.
Right? Mag-all-nighter ka.
Mamo!
Pwede.
Sino ikaw?
Gusto ko mag-help. Kuya Eting, nag-shot ka na?
Dito ka muna, Kuya Ting.
Johnny, one shot lang, ha?
Yeah, kasi
Dito muna tayo. Kung sila mo.
Sige, sige.
Ay, oh my gosh.
Ano?
Ano ba?
Ano?
Tani, nagkano ka na shot?
Yun lang.
10 shot. Kaya ko.
Kuya Eting.
Atik-atik ang maatik. Atik-atik ang maatik. Pwede ko manghingi ng
Patisik mura ako.
isang peraso lang, isang peraso. Yung maliit lang.
Yan na.
Bite my finger.
Miguel Tin.
Mamo, dito ka.
Oo, wait lang, tatayo lang ako sa sigura.
Isang round lang ng shot.
Balik mo na ka.
Miguel, Miguel, dito muna kayo.
Ganyan lang. Ganyan lang.
Say something.
Sige, sige.
Bibili niya kasi sila ng
Para mag-isa. Okay. Wala, basta na kasi natin to. Wala rin. Diba?
Ay, sorry guys, sorry guys.
Cheers.
Grabe ito.
Ako pa, bakla ka.
Binigay ko sa'yo kanina.
Bakla ka! Bakla ka,
Later,
tite!
follow ka naman.
Bakla ka, tite!
Sabi po kaya, mga old songs.
Then you have to go.
Bob Darren po, Once Upon a Time.
Thank you.
What?
Ano yung example niya? I think he wants to hear what they have to say. I think he wants to hear what they have
Once upon a time, a girl with moonlight in her eyes. Young thing to be her hair is up, and said she loved me so. But that was once upon a time.
Sure.
Very long ago.
Kadami.
How the breeze.
Ha?
Couple to
Ito
her.
ka.
Na agad?
Ha? Yes.
Hindi po.
Hindi pa.
Ay, mga ano ba to? 4-5 round.
Bawal
Dito ka pa mo.
Dito na lang ako. Okay lang.
Dito, oh.
Later, did you see the curve on the top?
Oo, maganda. No?
Ay, isa lang ang ayos.
And said she
I was gonna
was
use-
so.
Kailangan ko yung thing.
Ay, sige,
Gamit
sige,
ka?
sige. No.
That was once upon a time, very long ago. How the breeze.
I'll sit on it if you want. You can sit there.
Or fixing you po yan in that way. Kanta rin po yun. Senti po ng kanta yun.
Kuya, thank you
Top 11.
for everything.
Bukas top 4.
What? Top 10 na bukas.
No, 9.
Top 9.
Top 9.
8.
7.
Nine.
Top 5.
3 actually. And then we're just gonna add lang for the top 4.
That sucks.
Sige, everybody, last words. Paco, start.
No. Ako na ba inom?
Bakit last words na naman?
Hindi, if may gusto kayong sabihin to anyone, that's why gusto ko sabihin.
Alright, so,
Before anyone goes out,
salamat sa inyong lahat.
or to anyone special. Diba? Sige, Kevin, start.
It's not drunk ka na.
Before you take a shot, you have to
yeah.
do something. You have to say something
something,
to everyone and to
Individually?
Individually? To everyone and who you think you should talk to individually.
Ay, nako, later. Salamat sa inyong lahat. If wala tayo tomorrow, it's been a blast.
It's really been fun. It's been great. And
to
anyone in person? Individually,
Yan. Sweet. Napapapalo siya ng inyo.
Ano?
Sa inyo. Salamat sa inyo.
Salamat sa'yo.
thank you. Diba kasi, Hindi dapat marinig namin. Dapat marinig namin. Alright, you can't tell, what if Kuyu's gonna, like, for example, someone's gonna get evicted tomorrow, right?
Yeah, because we don't
You don't have time to talk to them. Thank you, Pamu. Thank you for the time that we spent here.
Thanks for the memories.
We're gonna see each other outside anyways, but sana, you didn't have a boyfriend, huh?
Break up.
Eting! Dito ka, Eting!
Ano yun?
Masaya to!
Ano yun? Sige lang, dalawa ang pinakinggan ko dito.
Okay, Paco. Eting, dito ka muna, Eting. Dito mo na yung gawin.
O sige.
Nadalhin mo na yung bangko mo dito.
Sige. Hey! Oo nga, no? Habang nagawa na, may tagay. Ay! Dito lang sa likod niyo.
Kuya, I think relax ha. Baka yung ano mo, pagdaliri mo,
Oo nga, no?
baka before na lang yung daliri mo bukas. Dahan-dahan tayo sa pag-iitak.
We'll just keep going around and saying things.
Grabe. Grabe.
But it's happy din. Kasi kita naman tayo din sa loob.
Of course.
But it'll be more like, hey, we'll have to yell because we'll be in the clip.
Guys! Grabe na to, guys.
DJ, turn it up. Okay, Mr. Speechmaker Paco.
Dami dito itong ano nito.
Una-una sa lahat. Sino man may iwan dito sa Big Four.
Diyan pala na. Okay, sorry. Cute.
Enjoy the moment. And
Sige, enjoy the
for the
moment.
past 3 months until today, sobrang daming nangyari na most of us siguro ikakagulat pa rin natin even if paglabas natin. Parang minsan may isip natin na it was just all a task or minsan may isip natin na totoo pala yun. So, kung ano man ang totoo at ano man ang hindi, kung ano man mga nangyari dito sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, iwan natin dito. But the important things that we've learned, let's take it outside and share it with everyone. Thank you guys, and it's been fun.
Good.
Oh, wow.
Sana, Johnny.
Ako na?
Ikaw na, bago ka mag-shot,
Ah.
dapat may sasabihin ka
Sige,
sa
sige,
lahat.
pero-
Sa lahat.
Sige, ano sasabihin ko?
Kuya, take a song.
Short message.
Okay, guys. Short message lang, guys, ha? Alam niyo, guys, ako man ang mas matanda. Ako ang mas pinakatanda ninyo dito. So, maraming salamat yung mga bunso sa mga kooperasyon, mga sitwasyon at relationship nga nagampanan natin dito sa loob sa bahay. Hindi ko kayo makalimutan. At maibaon ko to sa pagtanda ko. Kaya, inumin ko na to. Maraming salamat, guys!
What is he gonna
Kamay ko, ha? Si Carlo naman.
Better make your
Bitaw, grabe yung experience natin
Walang
dito.
yun lang.
May baon natin to sa pagmatanda.
Yun.
Yun lang.
Yun.
Yun.
Well, salamat sa inyo lahat kasi you guys have made this a great and fun experience for me. Never gonna forget this. Tapos masaya. So I have to say, you know, the original is still here. Plus two. Sobrang masaya ako. Yeah, I can't believe out of the many people that's entered through Kuya's house, dito pa tayo.
Kami.
Diba? Positive.
Especially the two. Diba?
two.
Parang wow.
So, without you guys, this experience would have been sucky, we'll just say. So thank you, salamat.
Speech.
Spits. Spit it.
I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I think what I'm gonna say, everyone already knows now. Say, we've been here together for 3 months, sharing the same experience, different tasks, but the same thing. We've learned so much here. It's unbelievable. I learned so much today about myself.
See a girl?
Yeah. Bawal yan. Deal na soon. Basta, grabe, it's changed my life. Ito, being here. Salamat po, Kuya, for everything. Salamat, guys. Grabe. Little things count, and don't forget to smile. Cheers.
Here. Wow. Beautiful girl. Business.
Yeah.
Na nagbubukod tanging nakakita. Outside world. Nung nagsimula na.
Oh, ito lang.
Oo. The last person.
See us on TV.
Kuya! Give me a shot, Kuya! Thank you guys for everything.
Di ba ganyan ba?
Pamas.
Kuya, alam mo yan. Hindi, thank you guys kasi, syempre, after all this time, na-feel ko naman na you guys